Gears, I'm home. Sorry I couldn't take you or pick you up from rehab. I'm sure riding with Static was a nightmare. Likely went on a rant about how I'll owe him. Poor Power Grid. How does he put up with him? Ah! That God, ew! What the fuck? Gears! Ugh, get off me! What the fuck is this thing? Gears, where the hell are you? Oh, there you are. Why is there a bear in the living room? Samoyed, bear, same difference. Same question, different answer. Why is there a drooling mutt in my house? Obviously, you have something to tell me. I suggest you speak fast before I figure out if I can swallow this thing whole. Ew. Definitely should wash the thing off first. Yes, I'll put the thing down. Ah! God damn it, not again! Get off, you great beast! Stop laughing and get this thing off me! What do you mean his name is Jeff? Ugh, thank you. Now, my dearest of nerds, explain to me why Jeff is in my living room. Of course, Static was in on this nonsense. So you saw Jeff on your way to rehab. You and Static, who has all the affection of a cactus in December, saw this miserable thing named Jeff tied to a pole outside and felt so sorry for him. Oh, poor Jeff. After your rehab, which lasted a couple of hours, you still saw him tied to the post. Poor Jeff. Static stopped the car, and you both went to ask, hey, what's up with this big dog? Turns out the shop was an adoption agency. They had to keep the fluffy thing here outside because he got skunked. Poor Jeff. They've been trying to clean and air him out for days. That explains the smell. Hold on! You brought a skunked animal into my home! Not skunked, just stinky now. As if there's a difference! Just tell me how that leads to you bringing it home. Static says, I've always wanted a fluffy companion. That malignant dipshit. No, Gears, I never wanted a fluffy companion. My hair literally turned into snakes. And then there's you. You are enough of a pet. What makes him think I want a fluffy one? What? No. I'm not happy. I just... Did you have to get one of the most fluffy and hyperactive dogs? Couldn't you get I don't know, German Shepherd? They were out. Outstanding. Oh, is that right? The doctors believe pets go a long way with rehab and emotional support. Oh, and how cute of you to get Jeff and I am an emotional support dog squirrel vest. So fucking cute. Gears, you can't take that thing back. You named it. Yes, I'm saying you can keep him. But that's it, all right? No more pets after this one. There's a part 2. And what does that mean? Gears, tell me, that one is going to be dinner. Ah, I see. Inspired by Kiwi the blue chicken. Well, Gearhead, explain to me why Kiwi's cousin, Wiki, is in my living room with the dog! They were best friends at the adoption center. Isn't that just fantastic? And you being the bleeding heart that you are, and Static the little shit that he is, you just had to have them together. Tell me, why shouldn't I throw all of you outside and let traffic have you? That's true. You did just come back from the dead. And I may or may not have admitted to loving you. You know, I can always look on Amazon for another abandoned hero with secret skills. I'm sure they're sold with other used items. No, Cares, no. I'm not going to break up with you. I'm not going to toss you out. And I'm not mad. It never made it past me any time you brought up wanting pets. If I'm being honest, I was considering getting you one. Yes, but I was thinking something like a hamster, a chinchilla, or maybe even a gerbil. You know, something I can eat after it dies. But a dog and a bird that have a friendship as magic story? Really? Fine. You can keep them. Just stop looking at me with those baby eyes. Yes. I'm wonderful. Best girlfriend in the world. Right. But they shit, shed, or mess up any of my stuff, they're dead. You got me? Good. Now, I need to make a phone call. Oh, haven't you heard? All of a sudden, Static's IP address is going to be banned from all Wi-Fi connections for the duration of your rehab. Isn't that such a tragedy?